Welcome back, CT Farmers fans. This is part 4 of our series of Will This Boat Afloat? That's all hooked up. I'm just gonna test the boat. Look, we actually got concrete, not the pond.
You guys are gonna freeze.
You gotta remind us that.
Yep, you're good. You're good. Safety, good. You're not gonna be out there long enough to need tools. All right. Okay, you getting in? All right. How? Oh, that was bad leg. I think you just used the bad leg to climb up. That was amazing. Whoa. Hey, yep. Okay. Where is it? Okay, got it. You just watch it, Jace. As we go, I'm starting. Is it time to back up here? I thought you have to stay in here somewhere. All right, here I go. Did you undo the back straps? Because I can't see with Jace's butt in the way. It's kind of hard. I can't even see the boat. He's like so close to my damn camera. How are you getting on? Jace, how are you getting on that boat? Without good, do you want me to, I'm gonna back up more. You wanna climb on now so you don't get all wet? Oh, jeez. Dude, you're gonna freeze. Keep your socks on. Climb in, see if you can get in the boat. And you can get in. Okay, now, can I back up more? You're completely disconnected. Okay. What happened? What do you mean? Did you put your plug back in? Okay. So what?
This is way too sideways.
No, you have way too many waves. All right, just go in reverse. Start moving.
I am in reverse.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why are you guys shaking so much?
Because we're high tide. Yep. I'm in reverse right now.
But you're stuck? You want me to pull out?
No.
Dude,
Get the trolling motor, Tyler. Yep. Trolling motor.
all right, if I drive out. All right, you need me to, whoa, whoa, whoa. You need me to climb on that trailer?
Move the other side. All right.
Slowly, slowly, not too much. Dude, I don't think you should go out. Well, you do, because you put this boat sideways on those waves. Where's your, Jace, where's your phone?
It's in the dry box. Tyler, I'm coming to the back of the boat. Oh, wait. Well,
Why?
Because my ass end is...
Yeah, why?
It's so down.
We're pinned, so someone's going in the water.
No, wait.
We're on the trailer. We can't move the trailer.
Okay, so if I slowly pull forward, what will happen?
The trailer will pull the boat.
Yeah, and it'll straighten the boat.
Watch the metal trailer dragging on the metal of the boat.
We have no choice.
Well, we're almost off.
See?
We're almost off. Just let the waves do the work.
Tyler, reverse won't do anything?
Try reverse again.
Whoa, why did it do that? That's normal. Okay. Got it. Hang on. Oh my God, these kids are crazy. They wanted to do this so bad. They are screaming and yelling out there. They're cutting through them waves pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go. I thought these were the only crazy kids around.
You gotta try it out. So you get
They just upgraded from a little 6 horsepower to a 9.9 all winter, and they were like, "Can we go put it in the water?" I'm like, "You guys are nuts." But sure, let's go.
I can hear it in the voice.
Oh, you heard it. Yeah. Once they got it, they couldn't get it up on plane on the 6 horsepower. And now I think they, well, with this choppiness, they might not, but I don't know.
It sounded like he had it though.
He might have.
So we should have gotten gas. I don't have one.
I got gas. I got some gas.
I'm all right. I mean, we're just taking it out.
Actually, wait a second. No, he left the gas at home. He only brought, yeah, we don't have it.
All right, you good? Or you want to get
Where's the other one? Come on.
It's under there.
Are you coming right back on? Are you coming on? Okay. You look good. Just gun it. Real. Gun it. Okay, that was my problem. I can back up.
I just stalled.
Do you want me to back up a little? You stalled while you're out there? Okay. Okay. He's good. He's good. He's got it. Gun it. There you go. Or did you stall again? Didn't hit anything. Do you want me to back up a little more or no? Yeah? To get, okay, hang on. Oh, you want me to pull it forward a little? Uh-oh. I don't know what happened. What happened? Did you come off the board?
Yeah, we're
I'm too deep. All right.
yeah.
Give it, you want to hook it up once and I'll start moving? May you at least stay connected? No, why? Oh, it's in your way. Got it. I think you are on.
Back here we are.
Okay, I'm going to go forward real slow.
No. I'm not on the trailer up here, Aaron.
Okay. Oh, now you're floating off. Yeah, you're floating off. We're too far. So you get too deep. Yep.
We got up on plane. That was fast. We're doing like, we didn't even test it. No, and the motor isn't running.
That's fine. So clean it up and...
It is. Are you pulling it forward?
All right, you said no. I said I'm going to pull it forward. He said no. Okay, ready?
One more.
All right. Hey. Yeah.
Come on, walk. Gotta get this stupid water.
Okay. Oh, you're off. Undo the...
Yeah, I'm on. We're on.
No, you're not on. You're not on. Tyler, put it back in reverse. Keep the rope connected so you guys can just back up a little bit. There. Okay, so now I could pull forward a little. Correct? Don't... Right? I'm gonna drive forward a little. Tyler, don't flip that boat. You guys are leaning...
Because we're stuck on this rail.
Yeah, that's why I have to drive forward to get off.
Forward, it would still pull us out again.
Not if you're... See, there, he's going in reverse to try to get off. No? Back up again? Okay.
You pulled us up out of the water.
Okay. How do I turn the signal off? I don't know how to get rid of that beeping. That's how. Turn the brake off.
Okay.
Forward.
You have to reach in the water.
Ready?
I need you to grab the fender.
Are you ready?
The fender of the boat,
Yeah.
of the trailer. I need you to pull us so we're straight on that.
Oh my God, what are we doing? What happened?
We
Can
don't
I-
have engine power.
Can I pull forward?
No. We have to line up the bump first. It's so far out of the water.
No, I can't reach them.
He can't reach that.
I don't know how we're gonna get it off.
Okay, this
Because
is.
it has to be straight.
So right now the motor is not working?
I can't go reverse. Forward, maybe, but...
Why can't you do... My point is, try a whole nother attempt.
I need this to be more straight.
That's my...
That's horrible.
No, it was not that horrible, but go ahead. How about we disconnect completely and you go back out, and then we try a whole nother approach. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm thinking. If you think you're that crooked now. Are you disconnected completely?
Yeah.
Okay, go back out. I'm gonna reset your trailer and we'll try again. Tyler, you gotta go way over there because the wind. You have to go way over there and then come in. Because the wind's gonna push you right off the trailer again. Aim towards that dock, now turn. Good, gun it. Okay, right there, hold. That's fine, you're on the trailer where we want you to be. That's the problem, the waves keep pushing you guys that way. Pulled it up last time. Huh?
Different rope. That rope, it doesn't tighten. It just keeps on spinning around it.
Okay, grab this. Ready? What way do you need me to go?
One moment. No.
What happened?
Go! All right, stop.
What the hell happened? Did the bunk board fall off? Did you say the board fell off?
I don't know. The bunk board moved that quick.
No, it didn't. The boat isn't going on.
What happened to my ratchet strap? It was on way tighter than that stupid rope.
But the thing is,
Okay, keep pulling, keep pulling. Get out of the water. Okay, ready?
No.
Guys, if I drive away right now, that boat comes out of the water.
but the boat falls off the trail.
No, it won't. It'll stick to those boards.
Go!
Hang on.
Hey! Hey!
Okay,
Run!
ready? I'm coming out. What are we doing? What happened? Why can I not pull you out of the water right now? Tyler, just sit down. Can I pull you out of the water?
Let me get the transom straps on at least.
Are you gonna be able to reach them? Nice job. Yeah, we might. I don't know. The ratchet broke. It's not working. Can we get it out? Tyler, can I move? Not yet. Okay. Oh my God. Now we got some guy helping us. Jace is half naked over there. Jace! Get in the truck. No, front seat. Front seat. It's hotter up here. Get in the front.
I had to get in. That's the only way I'm getting the boat
Get in the
straight.
front. Stay there. You might have to take those shorts off. Just stay there. Put the window back up, you dummy. It needs to get warm in there.
It's good. All right, yeah, but your nose can still slip inside.
Right,
Just
right.
Double check it before you go down the road, though, okay?
Yeah, we'll get it out of the
Give you
water.
Something to hold you as you pull out. Your boy is bold.
He's crazy.
He's gonna get hypothermic.
I got it at like 100 in the truck right now. We got to get him home.
Good. Yeah, just have him strip down.
Yeah.
Don't keep the wet clothes on. All right, man. That should hold at least as you pull off the boat launch.
Yeah.
And then please just double check it.
Yeah,
before
we'll
you
get.
drive down the road.
We got ratchet straps and everything. We
Alright,
just
good.
couldn't get it on
Yep, I got you. I got you.
in the water.
You want to get out?
No, he's got a hip that's not 100%. So we'll,
Fractured my head.
he literally broke his hip like a month ago. All right, ready? All right, we're gonna go slow. We're pulling it out slow. Woohoo! It is 100 degrees in here right now. Here we go. Watch him. Just keep an eye out the window. Listen to him. We're good? He's not saying anything.
Make adjustments.
Yeah, it all comes to.
I had to get in. I had to do what I had to do.
You need to stay in the truck. You record him while you got no damn shirt on.
It's cold.
They're going for the views. No shirt.
No
You
shirt,
jumped
shows
in
No
the
shirt.
water.
It was an epic fail, but we walked out of it alive.
That is
all that
true.
matters.
So what happened? Explain a little bit.
It feels like I broke my toe. That thing failed. We didn't put it on correctly. We don't have any ratchet straps to hold it on. The motor, it needs carb clean. It's dirty, and it's stalled out like 10 times. Probably because it has like half bad gas and the other half is good. Or because the motor is older than me and you combined. And this trailer isn't the right fit for it.
Well, he said it is. A nice person
yeah,
at
no,
the.
all we gotta do is get the bunk boards at a more of an angle
Yep.
to get it on the trailer better. Replace the bunk boards because they're crap.
They're brand new.
No, the carpet.
The carpet's crap and I'm not taking out that carpet. I put 40 staples in each of them.
There, it's all the way on.
I can't get down my
We
toe.
got it, I will help
my
you
toe-
out.
All right,
Hey, nine.
All right, that's it. He's signing off. You're done. Stop
Yeah,